Good morning. Local news for Friday the 17th of March. Data released by Real Estate Institute of New Zealand shows there were 222 fewer lifestyle property sales across the country for the 3 months ended February 2017 than for the 3 months ended February 2016. That said, it was a buoyant market in Wairarapa, limited by shortage of supply. In particular, it was strong south of Masterton, where Wellington retirees are key components within the marketplace. While Masterton's job creation meter has hit 500, the creation of jobs in the cities is expected to benefit Wairarapa as well. Infometrics chief forecaster Gareth Kernan says of the 30,900 jobs created in the healthcare and social assistance industry over the next 4 years, Wellington City is expected to get around 2,000. Provincial centres such as Masterton, with hospitals offering mid-level care to a catchment area that extends well beyond the town in question, will also benefit from industry growth. And in sport, it's a massive weekend of action beginning tomorrow for the 49th New Zealand Drag Racing Nationals. One of the big draw cards is the Jet Car and the expected 150 plus entries from juniors upwards and from all over the country. For local news and sport for St Patrick's Day, I'm Brent Gare.